Hey guys, and welcome to my picoCTF series. Today we're going to be looking at the numbers challenge, which is a cryptographic CTF, and it looks like they want us to download a PNG, which I've already done. So we have this here, and what I'm thinking is, so we have these brackets here, which conform to the picoCTF flag format. So this is probably a PICOCTF. I suspect that's what's happening. So what we need to do is figure out. So 16 is probably P, right? But let's see how that works, because I suspect this might be hex. These might be hex values. Let's open this in a new window. So if we take, oh, blimey, I have to go full screen on this. Okay. Okay, so if we take 16, let's say that's from hex. I'm just guessing. That is a dot. Okay, interesting. Okay, and what is 9? Okay. Oh, actually, hang on. So if we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yeah, here we go. That's making sense. So what they've done is, okay, yeah, they're not there's no capital letters, because you see, so 16 is P, I is 9, and that's probably right. This is probably the 9th character, right? Let's copy this into a temporary location. So yeah, that's the 9th so I is the 9th index, which you can see down here, and then P is the 16th index. So that's how this is working. So we need a way to, is there a way that we can quickly translate this? There probably, so we can probably write I'm just thinking, like, can we write a Python script to speed up the process of like translating these bytes, these numbers? So if we use like Python, and if we do ord A, for example, and then minus 96, that will probably work. Okay. So let's create a test py user bin and Python 3. And what we want to do is we want to ask the user for some input, right? So user input equals input. Oh, okay, so this is a bit of a challenge, because we can't just do all of this. We can't, because we don't know, it needs to be at least 2 digits. We can't do like 169, because the program won't know how to interpret 169. Is it 1 and 69, or is it 16 and 9? So we need to ask for each character. We need to ask for each digit on separately on a separate line, which is it's okay. We can do that. There must be a faster way to do this. I'm trying to think, like, if we can give it a file which contains the numbers, like 1 on each line, we could do that. No, we'll just do it like this for now. So we're asking for the number while true, and then what we're going to do is we're going to populate a string. So the answer will be out. So output is going to be a string. It's going to be ord. The first thing we need to do is print the UIP. Okay, so let's see what that does. Python 3 test. All right, and now what we need to do is we need to make UIP number an integer. So can we do this? Yes, we can. Okay. And then can we do this? So 97 was A, right? Expected string length for int was found. Oh, whoops. Sorry, I did that. 97 is A. Okay, cool. So we're taking UIP, we're casting it to an integer, and then we're doing a character. We're then casting it to a character. So you provide a number like 97, which on the ASCII table is A, right? But we want to offset the ASCII. We want to subtract. We want A to be 1, so we have to subtract 96. So if we do minus 96 here, if we then do 1, that should give us an A, but it does not. No, sorry, I should add 96, shouldn't I? Because if I then provide 1, that will give us A, and if I do 2, that will give us B. If I do 26, it will give us Z. Okay, this is good. Now what I can do is when we exit, so we need a way to quit. If UIP equals Q, then we need to break out of the while loop. Does that work? Yeah. And then once we've broken out the while loop, we can print the output, right? So the output will be output equals output plus this. Okay, and let's see if that works. 1, output is not defined. Yeah, we need to set output to nothing here. 1, 2, Q. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken, so 1 and 2, we've added them together, and we've got AB, which is what we expect. So now what we need to do is run this again and just feed it in the these numbers. So it was 16, 9, 3, 15, 3, 26, 20, 8, 5, 14, 21, 13, 2, 5, 18, 19, 13, 1, 19, 15, 14, quit. Whew. Okay, and that is the answer. But we need to add in those brackets again. So let's do that. picoCTF, possibly that. Cool. Okay, that worked. So just to recap, what we did was we figured out that those numbers were correlating to the alphabet. So 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, etc. So in order to get the answer for this flag, we needed to put in all the numbers that we saw in that picture, and we needed to add 96 to the number that we had, because then it aligns it with the ASCII table, because A in decimal is 97 on the ASCII table. So if we put in 1, we want 1 to be A, so we have to do 1 plus 96, which is why we've done this here. So we cast the user input to an integer, and then we get the character out of the user input plus 96. And then at the end, you get the answer here. So that's that. I hope you've enjoyed this challenge. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below, and you'll see me in the next video. Goodbye.